Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Aditya, what is written over here?
मैं समय हूँ. Time
Okay,
management.
okay. So this is our chapter today. We are moving to the second chapter, time management. मैं समय हूँ. So that's for the fun element. So let us see what is it. So first and foremost thing, you cannot mess with time. Why time management is important? You cannot mess with time. Mess means you cannot be casual with time. You have to invest. You have to use the time properly, or time might use you. Okay, so it's Newton's third law. To every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. If you use your particular time in your hand properly, it might give you some kind of benefits in the future. Are you getting it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, if we use the language of the business, बनिया अभी टाइम पे इन्वेस्ट करो, टाइम बाद में तुम्हारे ऊपर, you know, you will the time will be very much pleased to serve you. So the name of the slide is "Don't mess with me," means बवाल मत खड़ा करो मेरे साथ. But in this movie, if you have seen this movie, I don't know whether you have seen this movie. Since you people are watching Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma
Two
too much.
parts, sir. Two parts.
So this is Christopher Nolan's movie Interstellar. In this movie, this guy, he's an astronaut. He goes to other planet, and time is a very relative concept. Means I can tell you good morning right now because I just got up in the morning. But the guy, for example, Sumit, is getting up. For example, Yash or Sumit, they are getting up every day at 5:36. For them, the day is almost over. They need some rest. So time is a very, so 7 years on Earth is just like 1 or 2 hours in this particular planet. But these are science fiction, so you should be careful. मतलब तुम्हारा डिप्लोमा और इंजीनियरिंग जो डिप्लोमा का 3 साल और उधर 3 3 6 साल इधर 1 घंटे में हो जाएगा. Are you getting it? If you have seen the movie, do watch the movie, but these are only for fun, for reference. That's it. Time is a very relative concept. Let us see. So the question is, what is time management? Raj, can you see?
Yes, sir.
So just read.
Time management. What is time management? Time management refers to the way that you organize and plan how long you spend on specific activities.
Okay, so thank you, Raj. So the idea is to prioritize. For example, you get up in the morning, you need some time uh, in the washroom. You need some time for newspaper. You need some time for making the food, consuming that food, and then there are activities. For example, some people invest on health, so they go for gymming, free hand exercises. Some people go for morning क्या क्या कहते हैं उसे practice करते हैं ना. So some people are using some kind of musical instrument, tabla, flute, keyboard, because in the morning it is said it is the best time to practice riyaz. Some people try to study, some people devote themselves for devotional activities. So different activities. Some people, lazy people, they sleep. सुबह क्या दोपहर क्या हमें सिर्फ सोना है. So it depends. So when you are now in college, so you have lots of activities. For example, extracurricular activities, sports, music, playing musical instrument, or some kind of extracurricular activities. And the most important thing, you have to study. Apart from Snapchat, apart from WhatsApp, apart from Instagram, that TikTok is a, 1 month पहले भी TikTok था तो अभी TikTok कम हो गया है. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. So there are many kinds of distraction in your life. What matter is that how you are going to prioritize. Okay, किसके ऊपर ज्यादा टाइम आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है. I'm using the word invest. Are you getting it? So time management is किसको ज्यादा importance ज्यादा देना है so that you can manage. All work and no play makes jack a dull boy. So that is the thing. पूरा दिन पढ़ाई करोगे, पूरा दिन खेलोगे, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. खेलोगे मतलब जो प्रोफेशनल खेल खेल रहे. You need some time to watch TV shows. You need some time to spend with your family. Are you getting it? You need some time to socialize also. So that is basically the concept of time management. Are you clear on this part? हाँ मतलब 2-3
sir.
मिनट में यस सर बोलते हैं, बाकी बोल सकते हैं कुछ. Okay. We are
Yes,
going
sir.
to the next thing. But some people can study the entire chapter in 2 hours. For some people, it needs hardly 30 minutes. So it depends on person to person. For example, I need 1 hour to complete a particular chapter. Aditya might do it within 25 minutes. It depends. And he can use that rest 25 minutes for some other thing. So when I was a kid, there used to be ad in commercial आता था, झटपट पढ़ाई में करता हूँ फिर मस्ती में लग जाता हूँ, हरगम फास्ट में आता हूँ, नटराज पेंसिल फर्स्ट क्लास पेंसिल. मेरा वैसा नहीं था. आई टेक थिंग्स स्लोली. Few people are quite fast, so it depends. Are you getting it? So if you do time management, what are the benefits of time management? So first thing is greater productivity and efficiency. A better professional reputation means I have given some work to this guy and I asked him to do it in within 24 hours. And this guy couldn't manage time or something like that. Sir, मेरा काम नहीं हो पाया. So of course I lose faith. So I will come to this conclusion that this guy is not sincere or something like that. If you can finish your work within time, less stress. जो लोग पूरे साल पढ़ाई करते हैं, एग्जाम से पहले चिल रहते हैं, आराम से जाते हैं. लेकिन 90% पीपल लाइक यू एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले बाप रे बाप भूत सवार होता है. अलग ही स्ट्रेस. एक दिन में सिलेबस खत्म. वो अलग बात है. व्हेन यू गो टू द ट्रेनिंग, व्हेन यू गो टू द फील्ड, सब भूल जाते हो. सो दैट इज द थिंग. Increased opportunities for advancement, so you can always innovate, you can always go for perfection. अगर तुम्हारे पास टाइम है, you can always invest that particular time for your personal development. If not, कैसे भी करके काम करना है. That's it. Greater opportunities to achieve important life and career goals. Okay. BH, where is BH? Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay. Just read out the pros. What is written over here? Please read it out.
Pros, greater productivity and efficiency, a better
Okay.
professional reputation, less stress, increased opportunities for advancement, greater opportunities to achieve important life and career goals.
Cool, cool. Thank you, thank you. We go to the next slide. So this is the danger. If you are playing with time, time will be playing with you. So there was, ये meme आते थे पहले. One piece of paper cannot decide my future. And in the next slide, you are selling vada pav or you are selling, pani puri, something like that. I'm not criticizing or making fun of anyone because people are trying to earn their bread with hard-earned labor. But yes, if you come from a well-to-do family, if you don't have any kind of mental issues or something like that, depressed stuff, if you're getting all the benefits, still you are unable to make both ends meet with your own capabilities, yes, you are at fault. So that's the thing. Again, I am using some kind of disclaimer. It varies from person to person. So अभी डिप्लोमा के टाइम तुम अगर हैशटैग लाइफ इज फन करके ऐसे चलते हो पूरा दिन, पढ़ाई नहीं करते हो, तो बाकी बच्चे ओला उबर में घूमेंगे, तुम साइकिल पे घूमोगे, तुम्हारे लाइफ में भी डिप्रेशन है, उसके लाइफ में भी डिप्रेशन है. बट इट इज बेटर टू क्राई इनसाइड ए BMW देन क्राइंग ऑन द फुटपाथ. आर यू गेटिंग इट? हेलो.
Sir,
Yes,
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
अगर तुम्हारे पापा के
Yes,
पास
sir.
Yes,
है,
sir.
वो अलग बात है. तुम यू कैन वेस्ट टाइम, वो अलग बात है. अगर ये ज्यादा है तो अलग बात है. सो दोस थिंग्स आर नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू देम. क्या बताया यार. Okay, going to the next one. So if you're playing with time, time will be playing with you. Now, see these three guys. Any idea?
Yes, sir.
Ira Naidu.
Sir,
Oh, hi. So The guy from the left is Arnold Schwarzenegger in, Terminator.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
He's an ambassador from the future. The guy in
Yes.
the
Yes.
middle is Barry Allen Flash. He's the fastest
Yes.
moving person. And this guy, he's from the movie Back to the Future. So this guy actually played with time. So if you play with time, they go to the past, they try to go to the future, they try to mess up with the timeline, and the result is, dangerous, very dangerous. First of all, you cannot go in the past first, and next, you cannot go in the future. You have to be in the present. These are all science fiction stuff. Since I am dealing with science fiction studies, so I thought why not include them. Do not write these things in the exam. These are for your reference and to make this lecture a bit more interesting. So you cannot go in the past, you cannot go in the future. Me and you, we are average people, we are normal people. These are extraordinary people. Still, they paid because they tried to mess with time. Are you getting it? Do not do that. You can watch these shows. They are on Netflix, Amazon Prime, and blah blah. So do not try these things. We're going to the next one. Okay. So there was a slide where I told you, where I discussed about the pros of time management. Now we are going to study if you cannot manage time, if you are not following time management rules, what might happen to you? Gandhi.
Yes, sir.
Sahil. Hey, Sahil, what does the word Sahil means? It's समुंदर किनारे जो रहता वही साहिल ना.
हाँ.
क्या बात. Nice poetic name. So Sahil बेटा पढ़ो क्या लिखा हुआ है.
Failing to manage your time effectively, you can have some very undesirable consequences. Missed deadlines,
Okay.
inefficient workflow, poor work quality, a poor professional reputation, and a stalled career, higher stress levels.
ओके सो मतलब मैंने और एक चीज नहीं लिखा है. ब्लड प्रेशर आ जाता है अगर तुम ठीक से टाइम मैनेज नहीं कर पाते हो. यू बिकम वेरी एंशियस. ठीक है, एंजाइटी इश्यूज आ जाते हैं, बहुत कुछ होता है दिमाग में. एकदम दिमाग का वो क्या कहते हैं, रायता, दही सॉरी, रायता नहीं, दही वगैरह बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग इट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. सो बेसिकली रेपुटेशन खराब हो जाता है, ये काम से नहीं करता, लेट थिंग. आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. Though this person is a great star in 95 to 2000, this person has given so many hits in the industry. But इसका 4 बजे सुबह 10 बजे का शूटिंग रहता तो ये दोपहर को 2 बजे या 3 बजे आता था. Later on, this guy had this particular nickname, Late Latif. Late rising is not a problem. Late Latif. You're reporting to the work at, for example, मैं जब भी लेक्चर में बैठता था, मेरा 10:30 बजे लेक्चर है, कुछ बच्चे आते हैं 11 बजे. ठीक है, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहता, बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं. सो यू कैन सी योरसेल्फ इन द मिरर. सब पापी है इधर. सो यस, सो इफ यू फेल टू मैनेज विद टाइम, okay, we'll go to the next one. So Barry was asked, this is a meme, chill, not to mess with time. So this is have you seen Flash? Have you read DC Comics? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So there's a show also, you can see that. So Harrison was the scientist, he asked this guy, Barry, don't do it. This is Barry in the past, then Barry in the future, multiple times. This is a time god. But everyone is asking not to do it. But this guy is, I am going to do it. For example, I am asking you, don't waste time. Your well-wisher, your parents, your teacher, and every other person is asking you not to waste time, but who cares? You are going to do it, right? So basically, that's it. Do not waste time. So the first lesson of today, what is time management? What is the definition of time management? How to manage your time, not how to manage your time, what are the pros and cons of time management? So that was our first lecture. We'll continue with the next one after some time. So yes, time never ends. It's a continuous process. It's a linear concept. So that's the end of the slide. Let us go back to our normal lecture stuff. I'll share this particular slide, don't worry. Okay, so basically, 52 students I've got the attendance. मतलब मेरे पास एक एक्सटेंशन है, मुझे अटेंडेंस मिलता है, ठीक है, सो मैं क्रॉस वेरीफाई करता हूँ। बाकी ने ले लिया है, राइट? अटेंडेंस आ गया है, राइट? हाँ, यू नीड टू स्टॉप द अटेंडेंस आफ्टर 3 मिनट्स। ओके, 2 बजे तक अटेंडेंस खत्म होना चाहिए। देते जाओ। ओके, आई एम स्टॉपिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग। ओके, क्लियर?
sir, yes,
अभी
sir.
डाला है, लोग डाल रहे हैं अटेंडेंस।
हाँ ठीक है, डालने दो, लेट इट बी देयर। मैं 2 बजे रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप करूंगा। लेक्चर विल बी कंटिन्यूड, डोंट वरी। एवरेज अटेंडेंस 54 या 55 आ रहे, दैट इज क्वाइट गुड, नॉट टू इशू, नॉट टू वरी। आप लोगों का बाकी लेक्चर चालू है?
हाँ सर।
Yes, sir.
ओके, टू मोर मिनट्स। किसी के घर में लैपटॉप या फोन नहीं है, ऐसा कोई है? एनीवन?
अटेंडेंस अभी भी डालना बाकी है तो डाल दो, 2 मिनट बचे खाली।
ठीक है, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करता हूँ, दो, ठीक है, चलेगा ना? मैं रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर रहा हूँ। ओके।